Hey, so what's up guys, here it's GoPro Brayton. We are biking where they're clearing for a new highway, so it's gonna be kind of bumpy footage, but I got the GoPro mounted on my handlebars, so let's get going. And I'm kind of following this kind of logging road, but yeah, I'm gonna go. They're working ways down here, I guess my dad said. He's on the way to his work, so they're somewhere down here. So I'm gonna show you guys some footage once I get down there. I'm just gonna vlog while I bike down there, and I'll try to keep this short. Will I keep it short? Probably not. Okay, I already can see where they've started excavating. Wow, this is incredible. And there's someone on a dirt bike right there. I don't know. A little Honda CRF. Yay. So guys, I'm back. Right now I'm climbing a hill. You guys can't tell. This is pretty sketchy. This soil, it's like really hard to get traction in. That person on a dirt bike, I don't think they're really care what I'm doing, so I'll just keep going. Looks like a teenage girl, I don't know. That's on the dirt bike, so I don't think she really cares what I'm doing. Probably was her property her parents' property that this highway is going to be going through. And I can't even get up this hill, so I'm just going to walk. The mountain bike, that stupid thing is sliding. It's too soft to soil. I really hope I'm going to see some scrapers and some heavy equipment in action. This is why I came down here. I was going to ride one of my horses, but it's kind of windy out and they might get kind of scared, so they would have been a lot faster, a lot better in the soft soil compared to my mountain bike. There's a person on the bike. Well, if I had a dirt bike in here, I'd be going hello in this mud, getting air off some of the crap. It's amazing. I was in here when they were clearing it out, and it's changed crazy, man. Looks like all they've had through here now, besides the logging crew, is just maybe a bulldozer. Well, definitely a bulldozer and possibly a scraper. But other than that, hasn't been that much through. So I'm going to try to keep this road construction vlogged. It's going to be a 4-lane highway when it's done, so it's going to be pretty crazy. So I'll get back to you. Well, so guys, I'm back. I'm almost to the end where, not literally to the end of where it's at, but just where the end is where my dad said where they're clearing at. Not clearing. Oh, no, wait a second. I do see, it's windy out. But I do see a bulldozer there, so I'm going down a hill right now. Pretty noisy. This is pretty, I can't wait until they have the actual Class 5 laid down, because it should be harder once they compact it. And I'm kinda, I wouldn't say trespassing, but a I guess I'm trespassing. This is state land. It's a highway. Yeah, state land. So, yeah, bottomed out. There's a bunch of garbage in here. That's because there's a road up there. Those are weird. Ah, my nose is dripping. Sorry, you guys, that's really gross. This wind would just stay down for a little bit. Okay, so I gotta figure out how I can get up here. This is some sketchy dirt. Whoa. It's completely nosedived my bike. Ouch. Just jammed my leg on the stupid pedal. Ah. I don't care if I can get up with my bike. I'm really worried I'm going to get in trouble for trespassing. Okay guys, so I took my GoPro off. That's my bike. And keep walking. That's where they cleared down there. But it's a Friday, so I don't know if I said that already, but it's a Friday, so my guess is they went home early. Watch, there'll be someone just waiting inside the bulldozer. These are big D8s, so they're big bulldozers. Yikes, these things are amazing, guys. Closest I've ever been to one. Oh shoot, there's a guy up there. I gotta run. I don't know what's suspicious. But yeah, so I just gotta go find my bike. I forgot where I put it. Where did I put my bike? Oh, it's up here. I forgot. I'm an idiot. But yeah, so they must have just got done because I saw a pickup farther up there. I really don't want to get busted by one of the construction workers because this is pretty cool to be able to experience this stuff. So I'm probably going to head up here some other time once they're doing more work. But yeah, so this is going to be where it's going to be 4 lanes, and we've kind of biked it. So this is going to be pretty cool. So I don't know, keep walking. I kind of want to do some more exploring in here. Trespassing. State land. So I wonder why they would have cleared this out. This is really weird. So it must be for like the only thing I can think of is like a side road. Oh cool, there's a hunting shack up there. Let's see where that'd be good hunting land. I'm really hot right now. It's 70 degrees out, I believe. So it's pretty warm. I'm sweating. I'm wearing a hat. My hair gets all greasy in this warm weather, so it's kind of my hair's really gross. But yeah, I'm gonna just go walk up towards that hunting stand. Not gonna climb in it or anything. But now I'm trespassing because I'm technically off the state line. I hope I don't get chased by a dog. So there that is. Yeah, it's an old hunting stand. This is really the first like adventure vlog I've done. Like I've done like all my vlogs in my room and they just get so boring. This I'm kind of like, this is something different I've never really done. Oh shoot. Some guy just drove it by really slow. Crap, I better get out of here. Okay guys, so I'm just got down a little farther. I'm not just so close to the road right back there. But this red pickup that I saw over by the bulldozers, which you guys went to see because it's kind of in the woods across. He drove by really slowly. And he's driving by really slowly again. You can see him out there, so I'm going to get out of here. I really don't want to get busted. Okay, so now he's to a complete dead stop up there. Don't know if you guys can see him. This is really freaking me out because I don't know. I just don't really want to get into trouble today. I kind of just wanted to come back here and make a vlog for you guys, but might be something better for you guys. I don't know what he's doing, but he's to a complete stop. And there's a house up there. So, on my way back, you know. I think I'm gonna, next time, maybe try to ride a horse. One of my 3 horses, well, only 2 of them are rideable. And I can maybe, those things are pretty. Okay, they're quick animals. They're an animal. So they can go where a mountain bike can't go. Just, they don't slide around on this topsoil, they'll be getting right around. So I'm going to try to, I just thought of this now, but I'm going to try to vlog once a week about this road. I'm just going to keep you guys up to date with it. And it'll take a year and a half to complete, that's what it said. Wherever they talk about it. So if I vlog once a week, it should be pretty easy to keep up with. Maybe it'll be once every 2 weeks or something. But this is really sketchy. Not literally sketchy, but I can hit this. This is barbed wire. This used to be a cow pasture, I believe. Or some sort of a farm field. So yeah. But this is a fun video so far. I'm liking it. Something a little different. Shot on a GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black Edition. And I'm at 4 minutes right now on this clip of this video. But once I put them all together, it'll probably be around 15-20 minute video. So, beginning when I said I'm going to try to keep this short, did I stay with that? No, I didn't. So, that really stinks, but it was a longer video. I don't know, I might keep vlogging on my way back, because this is kind of fun. I'm liking it myself, so I really don't want to do so. To you guys. So you guys can see that. We are just, the bulldozers were just down that way. I bet a bike maybe roughly a mile there from my house. Nah, farther on that, a lot farther on that. From where I started vlogging, I should say. Which, even though it doesn't seem like near a mile, because I'm cutting out so much. So, I'm gonna end this vlog pretty soon. Actually, very soon. I'm gonna wrap it up right now. So, anyways, I'll try to keep these up to once a week. This once, twice a week maybe. I might be on my horse sometime. Until my license. No, truck. A truck. I could get through some of this stuff so I could vlog and so I can. So, yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up right now. This is the end. Okay. So I gotta keep it short, even though it's not short. Anyways, this was GoPro Brighton, and I'll see you guys